Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to fix verifying update on iPhone. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In first method, press and hold power button and volume up and down button together to force restart your iPhone until the Apple logo appears. Once the logo appears, release all buttons and let's start your iPhone. Hopefully, verifying update issue will be solved. In second method, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is necessary for a successful update. After stable internet connection, try download software update again. In third method, turn on airplane mode and turn off airplane mode. In fourth method, reset network settings on iPhone. This process will reset Wi-Fi network, password, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. For this, go to settings of your iPhone and scroll down. Now tap on General, scroll down again and tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset Network Settings. It may ask your passcode and then enter passcode. Hopefully, verifying update problem will be fixed on your iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.